Hello, today's 2-Minute Tuesday tip is about G Suite Training Extension. First, you go to the Google Chrome Web Store and you look for G Suite Training, and this is the one you're going to find, and you add to Chrome. Once you've done that, it looks like this one right here. Once you've done that, when you go into any of the Google Suite apps, you will see a question mark to the right of your identification button, I guess. When you click on that, it will bring up a variety of topics. You can search for those topics as well. And then once you click on one, there will be several different videos, and you can say, how do I add text using my voice? And it will show a video. There are a variety of different Google Suite lessons for each doc or each app. G Suite has some there. Some of them overlap and some of them are specific just to that app. Google Forms has working with forms and how to add questions, how to collaborate and publish. Even Google Drive has some. For example, did you know that you could share your files and set an expiration date for shared items? There's a video there to help you learn how to do that. So if you have questions about using Google and you want to find the answers on your own, go to the Chrome Web Store and download G Suite Training, and then just click on the little question mark in each of the Google apps to find your answers. I hope you find this helpful. Have a great day.